Good morning, friends. On behalf of Bhalo Thakun, Shustho Thakun, be well and safe. I am Abhijit Goswami. Now presenting you the Neti. In yogic term, it is called Neti. That means cleaning your nasal root through water. In my right hand, it is a thermoflask. The hot water is there. I change it to the lukewarm, mixing it some cold water. And this is a nasal pot. And here is salt. So I have to fill this with lukewarm water, then mix some salt to it. I am doing this. Watch. Yes, it is too hot. So I have to make it lukewarm. Yes, now it is bearable. It is now lukewarm. So mix some salt, very little amount of salt. Enough. That's enough. Check again and again whether the water is not too hot. If you have any confusion, you can mix more amount of cold water. When you are confident that okay, this temperature is bearable, the feelings will be depend only upon you. You feel that is it bearable for me or not? Just lukewarm, 1 to 2 degree warmer than cold water. Okay, you are satisfied? Then take this, place it in your hand, put this portion here. In right hand, the Neti pot is my right hand. I place the opening of this pot in the right nose. I place this opening of the Neti pot in my right nose. Now bend your body in the forward direction. Slowly, here it comes. Just reverse the process. Place the pot in your left hand. Place this pot opening to your left nose. The rest is same. Just bend it rightwards. few times of Kapalbhati, that means release the air with thrust through your nose. That will clear all this portion. This, the migraine pain, the sinusitis, everything will be cured. And from the beginning of practicing this, within 1 month, any type of headache will be under control. Not fully cured within 1 month, but will be under control. Okay? So this can be done once a week. If you are busy, then you can do it every 2 weeks, once in every 2 weeks. That means 2 times in a month. But it is better to do once in a week. It is called Neti.